Ladies and gentlemen, I've been listening to your requests. You've been saying, Daniel, we want something more spacious, more modern, and in a great location. Well folks, look no further as I found it right here at 5/26 North Rocks Road, North Rocks. Ideally located close to transport, North Rocks Primary School and Westfield Shopping Centre. As soon as you enter, you'll be pleasantly surprised on just how big this home is. Let me give you an example. Hello! 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 These expansive areas of the home also include the sun-filled formal dining room. It's tiled flooring leading you on to the modern and elegant kitchen, complete with natural gas cooking, stainless steel appliances and plenty of cupboard space. The accommodation of the home features 3 large bedrooms, 2 with built-ins, and the master including a walk-in robe and ensuite. Finally, the living areas lead on to the north-facing backyard, which is ideal for entertaining or letting your pets run free. Well, I hope you enjoyed your tour today. I'm Daniel Godoy from Carlingford First National, and I can't wait to see you at this Saturday's open home.